Hi, good morning guys, and welcome to another video of Louis Vuitton. So you can see here, back me is I just got my new bracelet from the Louis Vuitton. So I'm going to show you guys right now how it looks like and what it called. So here we are. This is the newest uh, Louis Vuitton bag. So I just got this from Oslo, Louis Vuitton, Oslo, Norway. So it's from 27th of November 2020. So let's see inside, guys. So here is this, and the inside of the bag is blue. So I think this is the winter collection for 2020, and here's my receipt. So yeah, and it's almost look like that one, the big one I got from the last month. So yeah, it's very beautiful. I love it. It's look like the rainbow. As you can see, there are many colors. It's so beautiful, so pretty. Yeah. So this video will be very short because I'm going to work now. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks like. So here is my Louis Vuitton. Here is a bow. So yeah, so here's a receipt, and you can also write down the name. Okay, so we can open right now, guys. Are you excited? Because I'm so excited. This is so beautiful. So let's go. 1, 2, and 3. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, guys. So first of all, we got this little cute. I don't know why you can see it, but it's like this one. And it's very small bracelet. So yeah, as you can see my hand. So I'm going to open it right now. I'm so excited because I haven't opened this after I bought this from the store. So here we go, guys. Here we come. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. Look at the beautiful color, the gold color. I don't know that you can see, but oh my gosh, where is the camera? I don't know if you can see it, but here you can see the monogram color. Yeah, it's so shiny, and this is gold color, and this is called Nanogram, I think, and Nanogram stress bracelets. So on the website it's look like this one. This hold a minute, sorry. Where is the picture? I just lost it. I'm so shaking because it's so nice. So it's look like this one. Yeah, so I'm going to try it on. So Nanogram, I just love it. I just love it. So as you can see, here's the bottom. So you can just, I think you need to like that. And here we go. I'm sorry for bad quality of the camera, so this is what I got right now. You just take it in your hand and just click it. I don't know if you can see, but you also need to take it a little bit up. It's a little bit difficult, but you can also click on the bottom like this and just only press it together. Just wait a minute, because it's so new for me, so that's why. There we go. So here we are, my night bracelet. I'm loving it. This is for female, but I tried on because first of all I'm going to buy this to my mother, but when I put it on my hand, it fits me a lot, so I love it. So I will keep it for my by myself right now, and I can buy another one. And they have also have the white color, I think it's silver, and then rose gold color also. So they have three different color: the gold, the rose gold, and the silver color. But I like this the most because it's gold and it's look like more details of Louis Vuitton logo. Yeah. So it costs like 419 euros. So it's a little bit higher price, I guess, but I think it's worth it because if you like it and it fits you, and you can buy it like gift to your mother or your parents or your friends. So yeah, or by yourself. So I'm just loving it. So that's all, guys, and I also buy a new MS. So if you want to see what inside that bag, the MS bag, so you can see another video of mine, a MS video. So guys, thank you for watching. So I hope you enjoy it and you learn a little bit more. This one is size small. Yeah, size small. So yeah, I have two sizes. I have small and the medium, but my arm is very thin and small, so I just take a small. So yeah, that's all, guys. So thank you for watching, guys. So I hope you like this video, and please subscribe, and you can tell me what you're thinking, or you have it before or like that. So thank you very much, guys. So see you in the next Louis Vuitton video. Bye, guys.